Nestle is a leading food and beverage company in the world. So we have around 330,000 employees.
For us, our employees are super important in our organization, and as part of the responsibility to those employees is constant development. So for us, there's a bit of a balance between what do you need to learn to be good in your job or to maybe excel in your job, but what can you do for ongoing improvement?
Traditionally, we are a push learning organization where training department is defining your learning path, and we're trying now to transform into more full organization. And so implementation of Cornerstone gave us possibility to bring everyone in the same place and basically start from scratch.
It opens up a lot more doors because the learner doesn't have to just go to a classroom course to do the learning. They can find a lot more resources from communities to online courses and videos and so on. Now that we have a global learning management system, our global communities are able to use this platform to really roll out global capability building programs. And then also just from pure data perspective, we've never been able to collect data and analytics to say what is Nestle really investing in their people every year. It ranges year by year, but we're always sitting between sort of 30 to 40 hours of development per employee, which is quite an achievement. It's quite important to Nestle to respect the various generations and what each generation brings. So it's a level of recognition and respect that the employees appreciate that they're being given. So I think really the empowerment would probably be the best word that summarizes what it's brought to the employee.